So let's go through each of these effects and tools that we can use. So let's start with Duet. So I'm going to go into this little arrow at the bottom, and at the bottom of each video, you're going to see the options which are Duet and or Stitch. So let's go first for Duet. So I'm going to click on Duet, and this video is going to load right next to me. So now if I hit that red record button, what's going to happen is I'm going to watch myself. So let's just do that. Watching this video reacting, it's not that good to talk over it because the audio of the original video is actually very high, but I would just be like, oh wow, oh love, you know. It's not my super favorite, but you can do it videos. Another one, so let me just show you Stitch instead. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna stitch that video. So 3-5 seconds, you can adjust which parts of the video. It's usually the hook anyway, but you can make it like long, shorter, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or full 5 seconds. That's okay. And then you go next, right? Once you have that hook, just like I did with We Don't Need SEO Consultants Anymore. And then I can record my answer, my reply to it. So it would be the first 5 seconds of the original video, and then I can start recording either 15-second answer, 60-second, 10 minutes. Oh my God. So I would hit that red button and just be like, hey, this is a nice parody of Trump. Okay. And then if you hit that tick, you're going to basically publish that Stitch video right there. Okay, let's go back and I'm going to show you green screen. So I need to go to plus button to create like a new TikTok. And then I'm going to go to effects, and you can also search effects. Okay, so if you don't see green screen, you can just go and search green screen, and you have one which you can put the video in your background, but we're gonna go for the picture. So it's the first one, green screen, and I'm going to select that. And now I have nothing, just green screen behind me. And then make sure that screenshot is vertical, so it has to be taken with your phone. And then I can actually, let's say, I have this email at the back of my head. This could be an article. As I said, it's super helpful to have like an article in the background and so on. And then I can just click on 15 seconds, for example, or 60. It's a little better when your commentary about something is longer. And then you start recording, and then you can always say like, in this article, I want to comment on this, so this is great about it, and this happens, and all that stuff. Okay, amazing. And then again, check, and then you can publish that content. Okay, so let's go to another one, captions. So if I have the video, let me go back and let's upload something, not the photo, let's say 15 seconds. And then whether I can put here, oh, I love this one. Okay, let's go here. And then, so you can add sound and you can go to trending songs. So this is recommended. And then if you go search, you can see those viral, TikTok songs and sounds that you can use to have a better chance to go viral. And okay, so let me go back. And when it comes to captions, so you can click on that text like AA, you click on that and just be like, respect for these folks. Okay, you can kind of style it, have background so it's easier to read. And then you can place it where you want. Okay. And then if you tap on that text, you can go back and edit it if you want to rewrite it. You can set the duration of captions. So I'm going to click on set duration. And if I want the caption to disappear after 2.5 seconds, I'm going to set duration for that. If you want it throughout the whole video, then you just expand it back on here. And then that leads me to text to speech. As I mentioned, I'm going to click on text to speech. And then I have some voices that I generated. This is my captions that I can have text to speech. And then if I want to add poll, I'm going to click on this little kind of like smiley face, like a sticker icon. I'm going to click on that and go to, I can add hashtag mention, some of the like smileys and emojis, hours and all that. And then I can click on the poll and then just ask question. And then the answer will be yes or no. And people can tap on it and engage with it. This is really good. All right. And then I'll show you how to reply with the video. So let me just go to some of the comments that I have here. So you can search, not literally have all activity and then likes and favorites and then comments. So I'm going to go to comments and I've watched your video, content is great. Keep up the good work. Oh, this is so great. I'm actually going to do this now live. So, okay. What I don't like about this, maybe the update will be in the future. If I reply from here, from your notifications, I cannot actually reply with the video. So I have to click on the video, like an icon. And then from the actual video comment, I can find the comment, I can reply. And then there's this video icon. So I can hit that and reply with the video. So I'm going to do that right now. And I'm going to say, I'm not wearing a microphone, but I'm in the studio, so should be fine. And I'm going to say, so she said, I've watched her video, content is great, keep up the good work. And then of course she wants to sell me something. Thank you so much. Oh shoot, I'm going to cancel this card. I'll do it again. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, next. And then you can set the location if you want, totally go viral. Hashtags on the comments, like on the replies like that. I don't use hashtags, but if literally that was like a question, I would add some hashtags. I could also say like follow me for more, but she already follows me. So let's post that. Oh my God. Let's post that. Oops. And it's done.